Hey everyone, have you ever wished you could turn back the clock and feel younger again? Maybe you've looked in the mirror and noticed fine lines, slower energy, slower recovery, or just that feeling that your body doesn't bounce back like it used to. Well, what if I told you there's a simple lifestyle change that could help you feel younger, healthier, and more energized without expensive supplements or extreme diets? Today, we're going to talk about how intermittent fasting can help trigger cellular repair, fight aging, improve metabolism, and support long-term health, often within just a few weeks of consistency. Before we dive deep into the benefits, let's first understand what intermittent fasting really is. Intermittent fasting, often called IF, is not a diet in the traditional sense. It doesn't tell you exactly what foods you must eat or eliminate. Instead, it focuses on when you eat. This makes it more flexible and easier to maintain long-term compared to restrictive diet plans. The most popular intermittent fasting approach is the 16-8 method. In this method, you fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 in the afternoon and 8 in the evening, then fast from 8 at night until 12 the next day. Another common approach is the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and significantly reduce calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Some people also use gentler methods like the 14-10 or 12-12 approach, especially when they are just starting out. Now, you might be wondering, why is intermittent fasting so powerful when it comes to anti-aging and cellular repair? The answer lies in a fascinating biological process called autophagy. Autophagy is your body's internal recycling system. It's the process through which your body identifies damaged, dysfunctional, or old cells and breaks them down to create new, healthier ones. You can think of it as a deep cleaning service that works at the cellular level. When you eat constantly throughout the day, your body focuses most of its energy on digestion and storage. But when you fast, your body shifts into repair mode. During this time, autophagy becomes more active, clearing out cellular waste, damaged proteins, and toxic buildup. This is one of the key reasons intermittent fasting is strongly linked to longevity, reduced disease risk, and slower aging. In addition to autophagy, intermittent fasting has powerful effects on your hormones. One of the most important hormones affected is insulin. Insulin is responsible for helping your body store glucose. When insulin levels stay high for long periods, it can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and accelerated aging. Fasting helps lower insulin levels, allowing your body to burn stored fat more efficiently and reduce inflammation. At the same time, fasting increases growth hormone levels. Growth hormone plays a crucial role in muscle maintenance, fat loss, cellular repair, and overall vitality. Higher growth hormone levels are associated with improved skin elasticity, stronger muscles, better recovery, and a more youthful appearance. This hormonal shift is one of the reasons people often feel more energetic and physically capable after adopting intermittent fasting. Let's break this down even further. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest drivers of aging and age-related diseases. High insulin levels, poor diet, stress, and lack of rest all contribute to inflammation. By practicing intermittent fasting, you give your body regular breaks from digestion and insulin spikes. This reduces systemic inflammation, supports immune function, and allows your cells to function more efficiently. Another major benefit of intermittent fasting is its positive impact on brain health. As we age, the risk of cognitive decline increases. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can help protect the brain from age-related conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Fasting increases the production of a protein called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotropic factor. BDNF supports brain cell growth, improves memory, enhances learning, and protects neurons from damage. This means intermittent fasting doesn't just help your body look younger, it also helps your mind stay sharp. Many people report improved focus, better mental clarity, enhanced creativity, and more stable moods after practicing intermittent fasting consistently. Now, a common fear people have is muscle loss or weakness. Many worry that fasting means their body will break down muscle tissue for energy. However, when done correctly, intermittent fasting does not cause muscle loss.
In fact, when paired with resistance training or light strength exercises, fasting can help preserve muscle mass while reducing body fat. Your body becomes more efficient at using fat for fuel, which leads to a leaner, stronger, and healthier physique. Heart health is another area where intermittent fasting shows impressive benefits. Studies indicate that fasting can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, improve triglyceride levels, and decrease markers of inflammation. All of these factors contribute to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular issues. Supporting heart health is essential for longevity and overall quality of life. So how do you get started with intermittent fasting if you're a beginner? The key is to start slow and listen to your body. Begin with a simple fasting method, such as the 12-hour fast. This could mean finishing dinner at 7 in the evening and eating breakfast at 7 in the morning. Once your body adapts, you can gradually extend the fasting window to 14 or 16 hours. Hydration is extremely important during fasting periods. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas and black coffee are generally allowed, as long as they don't contain sugar or cream. Staying hydrated helps reduce hunger, supports detoxification, and keeps your energy levels stable. When it's time to eat, focus on nutrient-dense foods. Prioritize whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. These foods provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs for repair, regeneration, and hormonal balance. Avoid ultra-processed foods that cause inflammation and blood sugar spikes. Listening to your body is essential. Mild hunger is normal during the adjustment phase, but extreme weakness, dizziness, or confusion are signs you should break your fast and reassess your approach. Intermittent fasting should feel supportive, not punishing. Exercise also plays a valuable role. Light to moderate activity such as walking, stretching, yoga, or strength training pairs well with fasting. Exercise enhances fat burning, supports muscle health, and amplifies the benefits of autophagy and hormone regulation. One of the most exciting aspects of intermittent fasting is how quickly many people notice results. Within 2 to 4 weeks, individuals often report increased energy, improved digestion, better sleep, weight loss, clearer skin, and improved mood. These early benefits are motivating and help people stay consistent. Now, why does this happen so quickly? First, inflammation decreases, which improves skin appearance and joint comfort. Second, autophagy clears out damaged cells, making your body function more efficiently. Third, hormonal balance improves, supporting fat loss, muscle preservation, and mental clarity. However, it's important to remember that intermittent fasting is not a magic solution. For maximum anti-aging benefits, it should be combined with other healthy habits. Quality sleep is essential as your body performs most of its repair work during rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Stress management is equally important. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing cortisol and inflammation. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or spending time in nature can significantly improve your results. Regular physical activity, both cardio and strength training, further supports longevity. Exercise complements fasting by improving circulation, enhancing insulin sensitivity, and supporting muscle and bone health. Nutrition also matters. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils protect your cells from oxidative damage and support long-term vitality. It's also important to talk about who should be cautious with intermittent fasting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and those with a history of eating disorders should consult a healthcare professional before starting. Safety and individual needs always come first. So what's the bottom line? Intermittent fasting is a simple, natural, and effective way to support cellular repair, hormonal balance, fat loss, brain health, and anti-aging. By giving your body regular periods of rest from eating, you activate powerful biological processes that promote youth and longevity. To recap, intermittent fasting triggers autophagy, reduces inflammation, balances hormones, supports weight loss, protects the brain, improves heart health, and enhances overall longevity. And the most exciting part is that many people experience noticeable improvements in just a few weeks. It's not about extreme discipline or deprivation. It's about working with your body instead of against it.
Even small steps, like a 12-hour fast, can create meaningful changes over time. If your goal is to feel younger, protect your health, and support your body at the cellular level, intermittent fasting is a powerful lifestyle tool worth considering. Simple, flexible, and sustainable, it fits into real life. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you understand how intermittent fasting can support long-term health and help you feel younger from the inside out. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to unlock the secrets of longevity. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.